Christian Chaplains and Coaching is a corporate site for the accredited Institute for Clinical Pastoral Training. Our certified teachers offer clinical pastoral education to institutions and students. Perhaps you are interested in becoming a clinical training site. Maybe you are a Christian college or seminary who would like to offer CPE to your students. Or maybe you have longed to take CPE yourself toward board certification, but have found it difficult to find a program that holds a biblical worldview. Well, this video is part of a free tutorial course we offer that provides 10 hours of continuing education. Just click the link in the notes below to preview the course. Keep listening to learn more about CPE for institutions and students. As an approved corporate site for the ICPT, we offer unique services for both students and institutions alike. So if you represent a church, a hospital, hospice facility, or first responder like police or fire, maybe a Christian college or a seminary, a prison or a jail or other institution, we would love to partner with you. Talk to us about making you an approved clinical site for our students to serve as interns while they're on their CPE journey. And the best part, there is no cost to you at all for this service. You can host clinical pastoral education student interns at your site and help them through their CPE journey while benefiting greatly from the work that they do. Now, our students enjoy learning in a live classroom that is 100% online. The education is online and your clinical hours are obtained locally. We will help you find a way to obtain the required clinical hours in a variety of settings while coaching you toward improvement and credentialing as a spiritual care provider. Now, we encourage our students to gain clinical experience in a variety of settings while we monitor their weekly hours. You may choose to serve in any number of environments or even any combination of them that's appropriate for your situation. This can be as a volunteer or a paid employee if you have a position. For example, maybe you'll obtain your clinical hours through compassionate pastoral care being done at your own church, or by serving in a hospital or a nursing home, police or fire department, the workplace, disaster response, prison. Any combination of spiritual care performed right where you live can qualify for clinical hours. And if you are certain of where God is calling you to serve as a chaplain, then we would recommend finding a place in that very call where you can earn clinical hours within your own specialty. That is, where you would like to serve vocationally and professionally in the future. But variety of experience is the very best way to learn chaplaincy. There can be a big difference between settings, and you should learn from as many as possible. Talk to us. We'll be glad to help you develop a plan for working those hours. Much of the requirement can be met by simply doing what you may already be doing in ministry where you live right now anyway. We offer a collaboration that's intended to improve the learning experience and educational outcomes. Our teachers are highly experienced board-certified chaplains who also have real, significant, real-world ministry and business experience. And this means that we understand what it means to be truly client-focused. We understand the importance of mentoring relationships. It's our strongest desire to give our students a deeply personal and enjoyable learning experience that will help equip them for ministry like nothing else can. So if you join us for CPE, the journey will not be easy, but it will be life-changing and very rewarding.